Hello student, how are you? Welcome in my online class. Student, today we are going to solve a very good question. Combination of maximum minima and APGP. Asked in JEE Main 2019 problem. A good question for competitive examination, also for next year JEE competition. The question is, if A, B, C be three distinct real number in GP, B plus C is equal to XP, then X cannot be. Four option is given. We are going to find the range of the X, and we decide our value is lies in this interval or not. यहाँ पे हम X की रेंज पता करेंगे. आज in this question we are going to find the range of the value. Range of the value. So let us try to solve the problem with every step and all the concept for you. Okay, let's start the problem. Student, here ABC are given and ABC are in JP. So we consider our common difference R. So let consider our first term, let A is equal to A, and the second term B is equal to AR. We take a common difference R, and third term C is equal to AR. We take here three terms, and AR square are in AP. Sorry, are in GP. Everyone knows these numbers are in GP. Now we also have given what we given A plus B plus C is equal to X. This is given. Now we substitute our value. So here A and B is AR plus AR square is equal to X, and what is the value of B is AR. So student, here we take A common, so we have 1 plus R square is equal to X AR. Here we see that A cancel out. We are going to find the value of X and also the range of the X. So range of value of X. So X is equal to 1 plus R square upon R. Now we can write this. X is equal to 1 upon R upon R plus R square upon R. X is equal to 1 upon R plus 1 plus R. Or this can be written as X is equal to R. X is equal to 1 plus R plus 1 upon R. So by using AM-GM concept, we find the range of this value. By using AM-GM concept, we find the range of this value, and we know that here we use our concept. We know that AM is greater than equal to GM. We know that AM is greater than equal to GM. So if we find the AM of these two numbers, R plus 1 upon R. So R plus 1 upon R by 2 is greater than equal to square root of R into 1 upon R. Here we see that this is cancelled out. So after solving this, we get R upon R. If cross multiply, we get greater than 2. So we see that this value is greater than 2. This value is greater than 2 when R is greater than 0. And plus 1 upon r. If less than 0, then this value will equal to minus 2 when r is less than 0. Now students, here x is equal to 1 plus r plus 1 upon r. This is the value of x. And when r is greater than 0, so this value is greater than 2. It means x is greater than equal to 1 plus 2 because this value is greater than 2. It means x is greater than 3. It means x is greater than 3. Now student, we check this value. So when r plus 1 upon r is less than minus 1. When r plus 1 upon r is less than minus 2. So this value x is less than equal to 1 minus 2. It means x is less than equal to minus 1. X is less than equal to minus 1. So student, here we see that our value, our x, this is your x, our x is greater than equal to 3 and less than minus 1. So we have answer in this region. This is your answer region. And here this is your answer region. This is your answer region for the x. X belonging to minus infinity to minus 1 union 3 to infinity. After 3, all values lie in x, and below minus 1, all value lies in this x. So here we see that the question is x cannot be. So x cannot be 3 to infinity all the value. It means x is 4. X is 4. But x is not 2. So this is your final answer. Here 2 not belonging to x. So our final answer is 2. Our final answer is 2. Student, important portion of this question is we use here AMGM concept. When r is greater than 0, so always the value of r plus 1 upon r is greater than equal to 2. If less than 0, then r plus 1 upon r is always less than equal to minus 2. So with the using of this concept, with the using of AMGM concept, we find the value of x and then match our answer. So note this beautiful question. Students, move to our next problem. Our next problem is we are going to find the minimum value of this function. Students, we are going to find the minimum value of function f a b c d. So this is also based on the AMGM concept. Here we also apply a AMGM concept. So let's start to solve this problem. First we write our function. In place of ABCD we use x. Okay. So our expression is f a square plus 1, b square plus 1, c square plus 1, d square plus 1. We write a square plus 1 upon a, b square plus 1 upon b, c square plus 1 upon d and d square plus 1 upon d. We write similar term together or we club the similar term. So here we write a square plus 1 upon a, b square plus 1 upon b c square plus 1 upon c and d square plus 1 upon d. Or this can be written as a plus 1 upon a, b plus 1 upon b, c plus 1 upon c and d plus 1 upon d. Now student, we know that the am of two numbers is always greater than their gm. Here we use the concept am is greater than equal to gm. It means if we have two numbers a and 1 upon a. We find the am of these two numbers. It means 2 is greater than equal to root a into 1 upon a. This is cancelled out. The value of a plus 1 upon a is greater than equal to 2 always. The value of a plus 1 upon a is always greater than equal to 2. So here we use the concept this is value is greater than equal to 2. This is also greater than equal to 2. This is also greater than equal to 2. This is also greater than equal to 2. So if we multiply this, we get 16. It means the value of f a b c d is greater than equal to 16. The value of function is start from 16. The value of the function is start from 16 and after this all these values. So this is your minimum value. So minimum value of the function is 16. So student, here we see that the minimum value is 16. So 16 is your answer. ना स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि एम और जीएम के कॉन्सेप्ट से क्वेश्चन को कितनी आसान किया जा सकता है। एम ऑफ टू नंबर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन देयर जीएम। वी टेक टू नंबर, हमने दो नंबर लिए, एक ए है एक 1 upon a है, एंड अप्लाई द कॉन्सेप्ट द एम ऑफ टू नंबर इज a plus b by 2 and gm is root ab. Here we see that the value of x plus 1 upon x is always greater than equal to 2. So this is greater than equal to 2, this is greater than equal to, this is greater than equal to, this is greater than equal to. So our whole function is greater than equal to 16 if we multiply all these numbers. So note down, and student, like and subscribe my channel if you like my video and my lecture.